guys, I am Neha from Entrepreneur. I share tips and tricks about easy to create art, and my current series focuses on modern calligraphy. Today's video is the third video of the series where we try to discover various styles in which a single alphabet can be written. We can create a variety of styles with a little something called magic. Well, no, it's not that simple, but it's not that difficult either. All you've got to do is know 11 basic strokes that can be combined in different ways to form a variety of styles of a single alphabet, and then practice these strokes a little every day. In some of my other videos, I have also talked in detail about which modern calligraphy style or technique is best for beginners and a few things I wish I knew when I was starting out. I have linked these videos on the screen. You might see an information icon at the top. If you click on it, you will see the videos I suggest you watch if you are a beginner. In case you don't find them here on the screen, I will also link them in the description box below. Now, in part 1 and part 2 of this video series, we learned to create alphabets A through K in a few different styles. If you would like to practice and learn along with me, then I'll link the videos here on the screen. You can find them by clicking on the information icon on the top right. Once you get the hang of the technique, creating variations becomes a fun activity. And the best way to practice after that is by challenging yourself to create as many styles as possible. Because once you understand your strokes, you can manipulate them within a reasonable limit to create variations that may eventually lead you to identifying and creating your own unique style. So if you guys do decide to take up this challenge, please do share the results with me either on my Instagram or on my email. I would love to see what you guys come up with.